Hi guys, welcome to the Declan channel. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So let's get started. In today's video, we are making chia pudding, a really healthy breakfast. So we will need chia seed, coconut powder milk. I will make my milk with that coconut powder. And for a topping, we will need tiger nut slice. So guys, I have a tiger nut there and I have tiger nut slice, and I roasted my tiger nut slice before the video. So what you see in the plate is roasted tiger nut slice. I will use it as topping for my chia pudding. It's really good, guys. You can use any other fruit you want for your topping. That will work as well. Now it's time to make our coconut milk. Guys, we will need 1 cup of water and 3 tablespoons of coconut powder. You can add more coconut powder if you want, that's up to you, but I like 3 tablespoons for 1 cup of water. Guys, chia seeds are really good for our health, and if you want to lose weight, it's really good to frequently consume chia seed with healthy meal as well. So guys, our milk is ready. Now we are going to pour our chia seed into our bowl or our cup. So I will pour 2.5 tablespoons of chia seed, and I'm going to pour gradually my milk. My ratio, usually I like when my milk and chia seed are equal. Like you will see after I stir my pudding, you will see what I'm talking about. So the chia seed is almost as same as the coconut milk. So when you're done, you can add honey if you want to be sweet a little bit, but I don't like to add honey. And then you can pop it in the refrigerator for an hour or overnight. But for me, I pop it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Guys, we are 30 minutes and our chia seed is good. Now I am going to add my sliced roasted tiger nut. That's what you see there, my tiger nut. I'm going to try a little bit. That's good. Now I'm pouring it in my cup, and I'm gonna add this. Those are strawberries. I decided to add strawberries at the end. That's really good, guys. And I'm going to, here it is, I'm going to mix it and eat it. Guys, this is my breakfast every morning. It's really good. I hope you will try it at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.